everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about the Mr. Bubble Fizzy Tub colors. These are so great for my kids. I have 4 small kids and they absolutely love it. It makes bath time fun for them. They get excited about it because sometimes, especially during the summer, it's hard to drag them into the bath. This gets them super excited. They are just little color tablets, if you can see right here. So the tablets themselves just dissolve in the water and then make the color appear, and you can mix them. You can have it just one single color. My kids love mixing them and seeing, what red and blue will do together. So it's super fun. It keeps them involved and entertained in the bath. It has these little holes right here on top, if you can see. So this cap does come off. And then you can just put one of the little tablets right in here and fill it with water, and it'll make this waterfall of color. It just keeps them so entertained and it's so fun for them. This is fragrance free, it's non-toxic, and even with it being non-toxic, they did add a little bitter agent in it to discourage them from trying to eat it, so it's not going to taste good, but even if they do try and get any in their mouth, it's not going to cause a problem. This is so easy to clean up. It doesn't stain their skin or their hair or their clothes. It doesn't stain my bathtub. You just rinse it out and you are good to go. So if you have little kids that would absolutely just love to make bath time a little bit more fun, I think this would be a perfect product. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.